What's up, guys? Jason here for the love of tractors. So it's like 1 a.m.-ish on Sunday, and I got back from the St. Louis Toy Show earlier today, the Gateway Farm Toy Show. And you guys said you liked, haul videos. What did you get at the show? So, what the heck? Let's do one of those real quick. No fancy intro here, just going to run through. I didn't get a whole lot, actually, and it's not that there wasn't a lot to get there. There was, but I've got some things coming up, toy-wise, that I wanted to make sure I had the money for. So, anyway, I guess first up is I picked up this cute little Ford truck and trailer set from Greenlight. Now, I'll do a full-on review of this thing before too long here. Probably within the next week, because this is a really neat set, and I'll just talk more about the details of that in the video. So this is from Greenlight. Cost me, I don't know, $15 give or take, I think, something like that. Pretty cheap, pretty nice little set for that price. So the next thing is the Case IH Optimum and this New Holland tractor. These are new from SpecCast. You can see $25 roughly is what you're going to pay for one of those. Really, really cool tractors. They're super detailed. They look mean. They got those big tires on there. The front end does turn on it. You've got 3 points, all that good stuff. We'll do full reviews of those as well at some point pretty quick here in the near future. So won't get into those too much right now, but pretty cool tractors for $25. So the next one up is this brand spanking new Versatile 610 with a cool sort of heritage paint scheme, if you will. Neat tractor. You know, that's typical four-wheel drive prices there, right around $10, give or take a little bit for that bad boy. I don't know, not much to say about it. I don't know if I'll do a review because it's a pretty simple tractor. We may, who knows, what the heck. But neat tractor nonetheless. You can play with it, you can collect it, whatever you want to do. I obviously took mine out of the box already. Probably going to do some custom work on it eventually. Alright. Next up is this AGCO Challenger. So this is some sort of special edition. It's the whatever, special edition. I didn't realize that when I bought it, because I bought it to use the wheels off of. As you can see, I already did some of that work. But I like these wheels and tires. I'll put those back on later. Anyway, so there's that, and then I guess the last thing I got was a bag o' tires from Adam Sunken at Mini Toy Truck and Tractor and Standy Toys. They are various sizes, shapes, and all that, and I think what I'll do one of these days, I don't know if it'll be anytime soon, but one of these days, is I'll go through sort of a list of wheels and tires and kind of what I use them on, because I get a ton of questions of that nature, like what tires would look good on this tractor, so on and so forth. And so, when I get a chance down the road, I'll do that to kind of help you guys out, because it is difficult. We're looking at a list of tires, 18.442, 20.8, 48, 38s, whatever. You don't necessarily know what that's going to look like on a tractor, so maybe I can help you out there a little bit down the road. So, okay, guys, it's super late. I was up late the night before last, and the night before last, and the night before last, so it's time for me to get some sleep. But I'm going to post this video up for you guys. That way, when you wake up in the morning, you can check it out. If you went to the St. Louis show, let me know what you got down in the comments below. I would love to know. I think I was, kind of like to see what people buy. So, all right, guys, have yourselves a wonderful night.